Hello home bartenders, Bartender Rick here. We have another really cool drink recipe video that we're gonna make for you. Coming straight from New Orleans at Pat O'Brien's is the famous Hurricane. Let's do it. All right, so what you're gonna need is 1 ounce of your favorite white rum, 1 ounce of your favorite dark rum, ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup. We're gonna put in 2 ounces of the Fresh Blends Margarita Rocks mix. If you don't know how to make this, you can go to our Margarita and Sour Rocks video to find out. 1 ounce of orange juice, ½ ounce of grenadine, 15 ounce, 16 ounce Hurricane glass will be great. We're gonna garnish it with lime wedge, red grape. Let's make a drink. Let's ice down our glass. We'll set it to the right of center here. We're going to mix all of our ingredients in a shaker tin. I'm going 1 ounce with light rum, 1 ounce with dark rum, ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup, 2 ounces Fresh Blends Marg Mix, 1 ounce OJ, ½ ounce grenadine, I'm going to shake it up 2 times. Garnish it. Lime wedge, red grape. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Hurricane. Please like this video. Subscribe to us at the Starz channel, where you'll also find some drink recipe videos that you can kind of scroll through and find some other ones you might want to try. There's also some bartender tips and tricks in there that you might find fun. Thank you. Enjoy your drink. Have a great day.